Being a master group of technology, we are responsible for video animation, video editing, logo designing, affiliate marketing, web designing, freelancing. A company that helped around peoples go through the thinking process to find the right name for their business, a project that sticks with potential clients and or customers. I am here to give you the excellent service in video animation for your social media ads. Video editors are generally responsible for editing and assembling recorded raw material into a suitable, finished product ready for broadcasting. The material may include camera footage, dialogue, sound effects, graphics, and special effects. Excellent service in video editing. When it comes to video editing, I will edit your videos for any type of media or arrangement, leaving you with a good smile. Expert in an Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects CC. Indeed, you came to the right place if you are looking for short video ads, product video, business ads for either your Instagram or Facebook business. Manage a team of affiliate executives, ensuring campaigns are kept within budget and maximum ROI is achieved. Develop the affiliate marketing strategy with the aim of recruiting new affiliate partners and delivering sales volume. The reason you need someone like me to help you is that the dream up process for a great available website domain name is time consuming. Your time is worth your life and your money. Contact me for your precious work and sit comfortably and enjoy your time. Thanks for coming here.